Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Saki Tech. So today guys, I have a iPhone X. The problem is camera shake, camera is like blur, it's shaking, it's like glitching, whatever. So let me show you the problem. Look, what the fuck is going on, bro? Even 2x, even portrait, even that sound also coming like crrr, if you could hear. So today I wanna fix this problem. Let me show you how to fix this problem. Actually, this is camera problem. No need to replace. Without replace also we can fix. So let's see. So we need to remove camera first of all. Actually, this problem because of magnet force is gone. Camera magnet force. That's why it happens. So we have to put some magnet parts, like here we can put our inside also we can adjust. So I have these magnet parts, so these two part only. So let me show you. So we can adjust like on empty space, one piece here and one piece I'm gonna put here. So again, now I'm gonna test camera. So this type of magnet parts you can get like from speaker or I'm gonna test. Let's see whether it works or not. Ayo. So that magnet part you can get from wireless charge also, like iPhone wireless charging coil. With that, this type of parts also coming. Otherwise you can get from mobile speaker. You have to break your speaker. So let's test. And now as you can see, camera is working well. There is even no shaking, no blur. 2x also fine. Let's see portrait. Portrait is literally blur. Portrait is not working actually, but the video and normal photo it works well. So this is how we have to fix this problem in any iPhone. Okay, bye. Don't forget to hit bell icon.